Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I do encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. So today's video is actually going to be a first time impression, demo, and review of the GlamGlow GravityMud Firming Treatment. I've seen tons of people like using it and rave about it. I know it's nothing new. It's been in stores in Sephora for a while now, but it's new to me. I haven't been really big on the peel-off mask. I think the last peel-off mask I did was the charcoal black DIY peel-off mask. If you guys want to check out that video, I'll have it linked in the description, link in the iCards above there, so you can click that and check it out. But this will be my second time trying a peel-off mask, and it is the, like I said, GlamGlow GravityMud Firming Treatment. So we will see how this goes and show you how it applies, what it's like, describe how it smells, how it goes on, if I'm having any burning or sensitivities. So a little bit of information about my skin. As you can tell, I'm super pale. I have mild rosacea on my cheeks. I'm sensitive to a lot of products. Like if I look at my face the wrong way, it gets red. Like I apply foundation with a brush, my face goes red. It's very difficult, like it's very sensitive to touch. It'll mark easily, let's just say that. So when it comes to face masks and products, I have to be very careful with what I put on my face and what I'm using. So we shall see how this works for my skin. And yeah, just because it doesn't work for me doesn't mean it won't work for you. So I do encourage you to like try things out. Just because my opinion might be bad doesn't mean it's not going to work for you. So go ahead, try it out. Why not? But I mean, there could be products that I rave about and I love, but might not be good for you or your skin. So that's how the cookie crumbles. That's how it goes. So, well, let's get into this a little bit. We shall demo and review this. My face, I already gave a nice wipe down with a wet, warm cloth, just to make sure there wasn't any oils or dirt on my face before I apply this mask. So I'm going to show you right now what this mask looks like. So this is the GlamGlow mask. I'm going to get up close for you right here just so you can see it a little bit better. So there is the GlamGlow GravityMud Firming Treatment. It is this pretty purple, pale, metallic-y color. Got the chrome, got the star. There you go. So that is what the packaging looks like. There we go. It also comes with the GlamGlow brush to apply the mask. It's just this cute little dinky brush, and it's actually quite adorable. Yes, I know I'm wrapped up in a blanket right now. There's a blizzard going on here in Ontario. Well, where I am in Ontario, it is a crazy snowstorm out there right now. So it is cold in this house. It's like -17, -20, something like that. It's really cold. So starting off, I'm going to put my hair up into, well, take the hair off of my face so it doesn't get any of the mask in my hair, because that would suck. So I'm just going to put on this cute little headband. It's got little bow ears. It's adorable. I like it. Then we're going to go ahead and start with the mask. I'm going to have a mirror so I can make sure I'm applying it where I need to, because where I have my camera right now is right in front of my mirror and my face, so really all I see in the mirror is my eyebrows. It's kind of difficult to see how to put on the mask when it's in my way, you know. So upon opening, let's see. It smells like tanning lotion. Like when you go into a tanning salon and you put that tanning lotion on, that's the kind of smell that this actually has. Now it's very goopy and liquidy. It has like a white pearlescent look to it. I'm actually really excited for this because tons of people are loving it and I haven't tried it yet, so I want to see. A little bit about this. So apply a generous even layer to the skin with brush, avoiding eyebrows and hairline. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Treatment will change color as it dries. Once completely dry, gently peel off from edges. Rinse off excess with warm water. Use twice a week. Clean brush after use with soap and water and air dry. Okay, pretty self-explanatory. Keep it away from your hair and eyes, like anything else. Is there anything else I can read to you about this? Here we go. So GravityMud Firming Treatment is an out-of-this-world new instant tightening and firming treatment. The innovative formula changes color from white to a brilliant chrome and peels off to leave skin feeling tighter and more lifted. Mega targeted ingredients work together to help skin's contours feel firmer and more defined. GravityMud will give you super sexy, firmer feeling skin in an instant. Welcome to Glamland and the world of GlamGlow. So this is the package that it came in. And we're just gonna get into this. My face is washed, got my hair back. I'm ready. So I got my little applicator. So I got my little applicator and I'm ready to dive in. So it's not terribly runny, but it's a thicker formula than the typical GlamGlow like exfoliating mask or the other masks that they have. They're more of like a mud. This is more liquidy, like a runny texture to it. So let's get in here and I'm just going to start applying it to my forehead. Now, I don't think I want to do too terribly of a thick, like I don't want to put on a thick layer because I actually want this to like last a while. So maybe I can put it on kind of thin and I can get a lot more uses out of it. We shall see. Because I really like the satisfying like one peel whole face type of thing. So like when they peel off the mask, it's like the whole face stays together and it doesn't break apart at all. I would really like to have that happen with this mask. I see it all the time, so hopefully we can achieve that today. So upon putting it on, it has a little bit of like a cooling feel to it. Not burning or anything like that. It's like a cold feeling. Maybe it's just because the product is wet, but it has like a little bit of a cold feeling to it. Maybe like menthol or something, who knows. But I can't get over the smell and how it's exactly like tanning lotion. It's nice, like it's not a bad smell. Unless you hate tanning lotion, then it's a bad smell for you. But I actually quite like the smell of tanning lotion, so. Mind you, this skin doesn't tan. I don't tan. I burn and then I go pale again. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm a vampire. I've got a good even layer all over my face. Like I said, I didn't want to put it on too thick because I want to get a lot of uses out of this mask. For $53 at Sephora, it's quite a hefty price point for a face mask, and it's only 50 grams of product in it. So the fact that they want you to make sure you put on a generous layer, you're gonna go through the product really, really fast, seeing as how I've only got 3/4 of this left. I used almost like a third of the product on my face right now. So it doesn't seem like there's a lot of product in there to do this twice a week, but it's definitely probably like a once a month thing because I like to have face masks last longer and spread it out and put it on thin because of how expensive they are, and I can't fathom only using a $53 face mask like 4 or 5 times because you just cake that shit on. That's not me. So very thin layer, and it is on my face right now. It is white, kind of chromy, but I'm sure as it dries it's going to get more of that chrome effect to it. So I'm going to let it sit on my face for, what did they say, 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and try to peel this off in one go for you to have that nice full face sheet that I peel off. It's just, it's so satisfying. I really want to achieve that. So I will see you guys in 30 minutes. Alrighty, so it's been 30 minutes. My face looks like the Tin Man finished on it, so I think it's just about ready to peel off. I think I kind of just, I'm not sure if I scratch at it or if I have to like roll it Let's try rolling it. Oh, there we go. We got some coming. Okay. I wonder if I'm going to get this in one go. You guys think I'll be able to? Ooh, maybe. Ooh. Ooh. It doesn't hurt peeling off. Like, it's not stuck to my little hairs or anything. It's actually quite nice. There we go. Oh, yeah. We did it. We got it off in one sheet. Look at that. That's so cool. It all stayed together. That's so creepy. Now I'm gonna go wash my face and get the rest of all of these little bits out and off, and then I will come back and tell you how my face feels after it's been washed. But right now it feels not like tight dry, but like firmer. I guess it's a firming treatment, but it doesn't feel dried out or sticky or wet or anything. It's actually very smooth and nice. Let me just take a quick look at my pores. It doesn't seem to have done anything to my pores on my nose. They're still pretty big, but my face definitely does look softer, if that makes sense. Like, it has like a more of a softening look to it. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just, my face looks good right now. So I'm gonna go wash it and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I just washed my face. I know my cheeks and face are a little red. Like I said, when I touch my face, it ends up flaring up and getting like super aggravated, but yeah. So as I was washing it off my face, I noticed that my face felt a lot smoother and like nicer. It didn't feel like there was bumps or any dead skin type of thing. Almost like it peeled the dead skin with it, like a little exfoliator. And then when I was washing my face, it just felt super like baby bum smooth. It was amazing. My product felt like it absorbed a lot better when I put on my moisturizer, my serum, and my toner. It just felt like it just like sucked right into my pores and just felt super good, and my skin feels like it's breathing. My skin feels pretty good. So what I take from this is it's a really good face mask. Like, it makes my skin smooth. It gives that kind of softening effect to my skin. Didn't do much for my pores. I don't really see like a firming look to it. It doesn't feel firmer or anything like that. But for me, I feel like $53 on a chrome peel-off face mask is a little bit expensive. I feel like you can find way cheaper alternatives than the GlamGlow that will give the exact same effects, but that's just my opinion. I'm sure if I use it a couple more times, maybe I'll get different effects or more benefits from prolonged use of it, but first time, first use, my thoughts, not that great. Like, I feel like I could buy a cheaper product that could do the exact same thing, if not more, for my skin. So I'm like 50-50 on this product. I really don't like the price, so that's what brings it down to 50, but what keeps it at 50 is that my face does feel really smooth and it feels nice. So I don't know. We shall see after a couple more uses how this works on my face. But I really appreciate you sticking here through the whole video and enjoying the video and sticking with me. Thank you so much for watching. Like, a lot. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more moi, and turn on the notifications. I cannot stress this enough. Turn on those dang notifications or you won't see my videos. Like, my viewings have gone like they've just plummeted, and it's because my subscribers aren't getting notified of my videos. So if you're subscribed to me, if you're watching this right now, make sure that you hit that bell icon and turn on all the notifications so you don't miss any of my uploads, because I'm going to be doing live streams, videos like this, and tons of other awesome things. So make sure that you are subscribed, turn on the notifications. Do it. like do it right now. Right now. So that is it for this video. Comment down below if you've used this GlamGlow mask, if the first time you used it, it wasn't like whew, amazing, if it took like a couple uses, or if you have like a drugstore dupe equivalent to it that I could try out, because $53 is, whew, that hurts the wallet. Yeah, that's expensive. So I don't know, maybe I'll use it a couple more times. If I don't like it, I'll probably return it. I wanted to let you all know before I go quickly, but I wanted to let you know that I'm also doing the channel memberships, so you can join my channel and you can get awesome custom perks like private live streams to just the people who are members of my channel, as well as exclusive every video shout outs for who is a member of mine. So you'll see in this video there's gonna be a little shout out box, and you're gonna see those who are members of my channel. I have one member right now, and it is super awesome and super nice, and it really means a lot that you are a member of this channel and you're helping me create amazing quality videos so I can keep with the special effects and the glam and everything like that, because as you guys know, I am a homemaker. I live at home with my wee one, and my husband goes to work and he's the money maker, and as you know, YouTube AdSense doesn't pay like anything. Yeah, that's a topic for a live stream, but it means a lot that you would support me and join this channel, and thank you so much. So I just wanted to get that out there. If you guys want to join this channel, there is a little button you can click down below right beside my name to help me out, like I said, to create awesome quality videos, help me get new products and create filming, all these awesome looks for you. So I really hope you do join my family. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye.